Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm your instructor for Data and Assessment this term. Before we get into the course, I want to share a little bit about myself. I live in Emporia. I work for Emporia Public Schools. I've been here I've been in the district for 24 years in the role of a math teacher, a coach. Now I'm a district administrator working with data and assessment. So I have a pretty good job. I really like what I do. Now let's get into the course a little bit. So everything you do, all the access you should have in this course should be done through Blackboard. So I recommend starting with the Fort Hays State University website, which I have up here, and then going to Students, and then clicking on Blackboard. You should always access the course materials through Blackboard. That way you're authenticated and you have secure access to what you need. Now my access to Blackboard might be a little bit different than yours because I'm in as an instructor and you're as a student, but there are going to be a lot of similarities. So you come into Blackboard, you can click on courses, and your courses should pop up. You're going to choose this course. I'm going to choose this one and kind of walk you through it just a little bit. All the important links are on the left side of the black bar. You'll see the home page. You'll see announcements. Announcements are used for general communication. I'm going to try to use them a little more this summer than I have in the past. This link right here, course website, will take you out to the course website where all the materials are and everything about the course. The Google Plus community, that's where you're going to go to post information about your assignments. You can see your grades by clicking on My Grades. I try to keep grades up pretty regular. I try to grade as fast as you submit assignments. So the summer goes a little faster, so I'm going to try to keep up the best I can. If you want to know some things about me, click on Meet the Instructor. And that'll give some information about me. Here I am. Here is my phone number and things like that. And some information about me, a few things you might want to know. The next one's the course syllabus. This course syllabus is specific to me in this class. The one on the course website is more generic and specific to the course overall. The course calendar. If you click on that one, it'll actually take you out to the course calendar so you can see when the assignments are due. So this is May. If you go to June, you'll see that your first assignment is due on June 3rd. So make sure you take a look at this. Now, let's go out and look at the course website a little bit. The course website is going to give you your modules. It's going to give you a general syllabus. It's going to give you the calendar. So the calendar is available in multiple places. So on the left here, you'll see a black bar with course orientation. So if you want to know about the course, you can read this. There's also a link in here to the syllabus. If you go right down here, you're going to get to the modules, which are right here. So the modules are where you're going to learn or know what to do for each assignment. So here's assignment number 1. Well, it's an introductory video. So this part up here is the module itself. Please make sure you go through the complete process of each module. At the bottom of this page, you'll see a rubric on how it's graded. Here's module 2, same setup. You'll see the information about the module. If you click on this little arrow right here, it'll actually expand it to a full page so you can print it. A lot of times students have trouble with the modules. They don't complete them completely. So make sure you're going down through this whole process like this. The second module has several steps. It has 7 steps in the process. Make sure you go through the entire process. There's a feedback loop right here to make sure you follow as well. The calendar link is here as well. And there's some class policies here you can look up as well. FAQ policy and social media. So make sure you spend a little time on the website. You're going to live a lot in the learning activities area into the modules. So make sure you spend some time there. So again, this is Ryan, and I'm really excited to get to work with you this term. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to talk to you and help you through. Thanks a lot.